nagsimula pa yung Viva One. And then, nag-mall show kami. Talagang pinaghirapan namin. As in, you know, like, may mga times nag-mall show kami na, wala pa siya tao. Like, ganyan yung simula namin. Parang, hindi guys, kaya natin ko. Like, kakanta tayo. Hanggang sa padumi ng padumi. And then, nakikita na natin ngayon na lumalaki na siya. And, ay, ako parang with everyone, nakapag-bond talaga. Nakapag-gawa tayo ng memories sa isa't isa. So, hindi na ako ready na matapos lang ito. Kasi parang, hindi pa, hindi, yung pinaghirapan namin, hindi pa pwede matapos. Hindi pa wala. So,
Alright, sino pa? Wilbur?
Direct kasi tatlo sa libro ang direct niya. So talagang kasama siya mismo sa journey ni Vergata since book 2. Direct.
I've seen their growth. I've gotten to know them. And I'm excited to sa lahat ng projects nila in the future. Kasi they really deserve it. And they've been here from the very beginning, from the start of Viva One. And I'm excited also for the next generation and next shows of Viva One. And siguro yung message ko for everyone is I'm so proud of you guys. I'm very, very proud of you guys. And thank you for the friendship and the trust. And to the fans who supported me since day one, yung directed pa yung nag-direct. And yun, thank you so much.
Alright, anybody else? We're good. Alright, okay. Naz, last question, okay. So question mo ang nag-break sa